Tungkod oh. Good morning po. Ay magsisimula na sa mas exciting part ng game. Lasal Green Hills versus Basket. Basket number 67. That's a traveling. Points na daw. Ayan sa artificial. Number 9 and 1.
Isa ba, Joso? Isa ba? Joso, kaya mo. Rajo! Oh, one stop, one stop.
Nice accord ah. That's a traveling violation. Okay, timeout. Official score is 8-7.
Idol to mga idol. Panalo kayo? Panalo? January pa daw yung hindi yung plaka, kaya baka din yung alam mo ay kuha Diyos parang palaro okay natin kaya dito palaro ay guys ano ba kaya pwede sumali pwede yun sigurado para may katulong idak yun.
Hey, coach. Nice. Congrats. Zeus Rodriguez nandun na rin. Bounce pass.
Oy!
Foul.
Okay, spike yan.
Substitution of players of the green team
Kyrie, take your time, take your time.
coming in. Hello?
Ang dating team meeting ako sa palaro. Oo, pagdaling yun. Ayan, ayan. Kyrie, baba! Oh, stay na ha!
Number 9, too strong. With a good back. Change favor, lamang na ang Don Bosco Makati. Aborita, bigay. Sa corner. There's a foul. Number 16 to number 55. There's a foul. foul.
Ganun pala eh. May score. Galing ah. Ano yan?
Manual.
Tama na. Galing ah. Boss, ina, bilis!
And one.
Hi, Daddy!
By number 77. Rodriguez spin. Uy, too strong. There's a foul. Ay, yung assistant pala yung coach, ngayon head coach nila. Tabla tayo sa 11. Time remaining 2 minutes and 2 seconds sa ating first quarter. Basket na. Acorda is no good. Number 2. Aborita, no good. Ayan na si Acorda. Jump shot, no good. Steal by number 4. To Acorda, 4-3, no good. Aborita. Oopsie. Backcourt violation. And that's a jump ball. Time remaining, last 39 seconds. That's a traveling violation.
Galing na rin yung malayo. Kaya taong malala, hindi na rin ako, kanina ako. 8 seconds lang dyan, 8 seconds!
Number 55, no good. And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score is 12 and 11 in favor of our LaSalle Green Hills. Second quarter tayo. Magbabalik. Back to the ball game. Second quarter. Steal.
Lapit boy. Libre ka dyan, boy. Agad eh.
Rodriguez, catch and shoot. Short. Aborita. No good. Rebound and nice shot by Loki Cruz. Steal by Aborita. Pass to Loki. Wala. Rodriguez. Acorda. Isaiah. Number 1. Aborita from corner, 3 points. Don Bosco Makati basketball. Rodriguez with steal. Cruz to Aborita, but there's a foul. Short. Second shot is good. All the way. Basket.
Oh, bilis, bilis! Oh, dito!
Number 26, no good. Rebound number 67. Cruz, no good. Rodriguez to Acorda, all the way.
Depensa, labot! Depensa!
18-17. 1-point lead para sa ating Lasal Green Hills. And that's a traveling violation. Timeout. Wala pa.
Nice pass!
Uy, no good.
Baba, bawi sa depensa! Baba! Bawi!
Cruz, there's a foul. Timeout. Time remaining 6 minutes and 4 seconds.
Boarding, boarding. Okay lang, bawi lang sa depensa. Rebound lang, rebound.
Stop and pump. No
Atake mo
good.
na, boy! Baba na, bawi sa depensa!
Oopsie.
Hoy! Kaya, salubungin mo. 8 seconds! Yes! Focus tayo! Sus, tao mo to!
Still, Acorda, all the way.
Sus, tao mo! Huli na sa'yo mo.
Still, Acorda, all the way. Basket.
Pare, focus!
Tabla tayo. Oh. Official score 21-22. 1-point lead para sa Lasal Green Hills.
Live ba yan?
Ay, apo. Sorry. Jump, FB po, FB. and 38 seconds.
Go, 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 go! Go! Go, shot, natrampas yan! Shot, natrampas! Kita, Diyos! Gitna! Tagay, balik mo na. Josh, ilalim! Yan na! Lapit, boy! Josh, baba na! Kaliwa, ay! Kaliwa! Tatlo! Pasa! Nice! Nice pass, ball! Susta mo! Ayan mo! Kahuli! Huli! Nakakalimutan!
Change favor tayo. Lamang ang Don Bosco Makati. Time remaining 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Shooting the line, Lucky Cruz. All 23.
Okay, nice. Nice pass.
2 points.
Nice pass. Go, sa'yo na, baba.
Villegas, pass to number 67. Centeno, no good. Wala. Jump shot, no good.
Yun.
Rebound by Isaiah.
Foul!
There's a foul.
Take time. Take your time. Hindi madaliin. Relax. Take your time.
Lang po tayo.
Yan. See? Come on. Nice. Come on.
Basket.
Yan. Harapan mo lang, Sus. Ang kawanan mo. Harapan mo lang. Nakakabulot naman kayo siniga. Good. Yan, Diyos. Look. Yan na. Nice. Bang.
Gets the three.
Yes. Nice, Diyos.
29 to 22.
Uli. Harapan mo lang, Sus. Harapan mo lang. Wali lang.
Drop pass number 67. Yes, sir.
Panoorin. Kaya, iba na.
Accord. No good. Ayun na, si Villegas.
Uli.
Villegas 2. Against 1. Oh! There's a foul. Shout out Kuya Alfonso Rodriguez. Second shot para kay Villegas. Basket. 1 minute and 4 seconds.
Kung kita, Josh. Kung muna kita, Josh. Tulog. Ayan na. Tina, libre. Libre, Tina. Go, go, go.
Hold up for 3.
Ice, ice.
Time remaining, last 39 seconds. Aborita. Abonita. Oh, steal by Acorda Ice.
Kumog. Dive down, yan na.
Oh, in and out. Rebound, number 67. Cruz, hop step. Basket. By Cruz. 32-26. Last 5 seconds. Oopsie. Steal by Abonita. And that's the end of our first half. Fisher score 32-27 in favor po sa Don Bosco Makati.
Pahinga.
Ice! Nanonood kami ha. Papaalala ko lang, nanonood kami. Kalingan mo.
Leo Villegas maglalabas ng bola. Oopsie, steal. Too strong. Steal by Acorda. Cruz. Drop pass. Cruz the board. Wala.
Nice! Out!
The pass steal by number 7. Pass to Cruz.
uli.
Villegas. Mateo, kick out. Number
Wala.
7. Basket is good.
Pakita ko, tulog. Wala.
Rodriguez, stop and pump, no good. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz to Mateo, bad pass. Nakuha ni Corda. Ice attacking the basket to number 9. Wala. Number 9, no good. Rebound ng Lasal. Number 7. Cruz with a rebound. Wala pa rin. Loki from corner 3. 3-point by Loki Cruz. Baba tayo sa dalawa. Ang correction, isa lang daw po. There's a foul. Yaw. Ayaw pa. On the free throw area, jersey number 9. Cruz, pass to Villegas with a strong drive, and there's some out of bounds. Steal by Acorda. And an extra pass. Cruz, number 7.
Nice.
Bad pass.
Nice. Huwag kayo sumundag, Ben. Wala lang.
Ooh, almost steal. And that's a jump ball. Time remaining 6 minutes and 50 seconds.
Hoy, double!
Steal.
Nice! Yes, nandito na si Ivy! Passing lane, Ice, passing lane! Inay, passing lane! Passing lane! Ayan, represent sa passing lane dyan! Harap! Gabi!
Number 7.
Taas lang! 3 seconds! Nice.
That's a 3 seconds violation.
3-2. Nice pass! Nice pass!
Alright, pass kay Corda.
Huli! Ilay! Ako ka! Okay! Nice!
Sa foul.
Ice.
Sinot din. Good job, boy. Yes!
Nice, Ben!
Basket. Jersey number 17.
Nice!
42 to 33.
Sabi, sa'yo!
Ayun na, sa'yo mo ah. Labos!
Ben, give him the left! Sa left lang, sa left! Play! Nice, Sus!
Nice, Sus!
Nice!
Labos, screen! Labos!
Win, yan na.
Bambang mo!
Nice! Nice, Ilan! Sus! Bigay mo yung kaliwa, Sus! Kaliwa! Robin! Nice! Nice one, Sus!
Sa traveling violation.
Nice!
Score! 47!
Score, 47.
47 ah!
3 points yan.
Ito nga sa akin eh.
Coach, 3 points! 46!
Ba't kasi ano lang?
Tama sa akin.
Dos! Boarding ah! Boarding! na! 46! 46 dapat?
Ano ba yung score mo?
Yes, tama sa akin naman. Tama sa akin. 45, 33.
Tama daw.
Hey,
Ako lang.
tayo.
Ay, ganun tayo!
Ako lang dito lang.
Nice break, come on!
Labot, tulong!
Okay na!
Rodriguez, no good. Rebound by Acorda. Nice. Isaiah. That's a foul.
Take two.
Take your time.
Nice.
46-33.
Di ba? Sa'yo nga po.
Dito, tama na sa susunod ako naman. Tama naman. 46. 47.
Kuya, 47 na. Dalawa yung pumasok.
Dalawa, kuya.
Kuya,
Dalawa, pumasok.
Dalawang free throw yun.
dalawang free throw, 47. Ay, dalawang free throw.
Dalawa. 47 na.
Nanonood.
Yun na. Nice, yun na.
Acorda, no good. Rebound by Cruz.
Kaliwa lang, sus. Yan, Ilay, kaliwa.
Cruz.
Ay, take away yun eh.
Basket.
Labang kayo, oh.
Down by
Kaya
10.
lang, Ilay. Ben, tulong, Ben.
10 na lamang po ay nahabol ng Lasal Green Hills. Acorda, steal by Cruz. Look Okay, all the way, basket. Time out, Don Bosco Makati. Official score is 47-39. With the time remaining 1 minute and 58 seconds sa ating third quarter.
Oh, screen tira, Su! Abut! John, screen! John! Dito! John! Pass, 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 pass!
Oos! So pala yan. Hoy! Basta. Ayos naman. Diyan ba? Natay ko na eh. Next game pala kayo, no?
Kita! Kita! Okay.
There we go, number 4. Short.
Ayan, Josh! Ayan!
Nice, nice, nice!
Basket by jersey number 9.
Ayan! Kaliwa! 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 Kaliwa!
10-point lead.
Kaliwa! Kaliwa! Ayan! Salubong! Salubong!
Cruz to Abonita. Sa loob. Wala.
Boys!
Go Ice! Go Ice!
Ayan! Yun!
For the... Nice shot there para sa Don Bosco Makati. Let's go, Lasal.
Sa kaliwa! Bigay mo yung kaliwa! Ayan na!
Ice, dito! Ice,
Ayan lang! Okay lang!
Abonita to number 55. And there's a foul.
Okay.
Let's go. Shooting on the line. Jersey number 55.
Oh, box out ha! Box out!
Kita! Yun! Nice pass!
No good. Rebound number 65. Abonita nagmamadali. Oy, no good. Abonita.
Isa pa!
Baba, Jules!
Pass to Cruz. Step back to
Baba! Ice! 4 seconds!
4 seconds!
3-point. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. Official scores 52-42. Lamang ng siyam ang Don Bosco Makati. Okay, fourth quarter tayo. Ang pinaka-exciting part ng game. Let's go, Lasal Green Hills.
Box yung Panginoon. Ito? Idol kayo eh. Doon. Kamusta? Quarter, isa na lang. Isa na lang. Isang quarter na. Isang quarter na lang.
Okay, fourth and last quarter. Here we go. Let's go, Lasal. Rebound by Yao. Pass to Cruz.
Fine.
Wala. Yao.
Labo tao mo!
Running shot. Basket. Bonita. Basket.
Oh, ball counted.
Basket count.
Ball counted.
Pare, sipag tayo. Sayang eh. Sayang naman oh. Josh, box out! Josh, box out! Josh! Isa lang yan, isa!
Wala. Rebound by Josh. Lima na lang hinahabol ng Lasal Green Hills. Oh, there's a foul.
Basket.
Time remaining 9 minutes and 3 seconds. Bonita, stop and pump, short, rebound.
Uli.
Cruz, top of the key, 4-3, wala. Makakuha pa rin ni Cruz. Basket.
Tama.
Isa lang ata, 51 pala po. Acorda, 4-3. 3 points ba? Parang naiba yung score doon. 51 tapos 56. Ano ba? Oo nga. Ano sila? Aray ko. Acorda, running shot, no good. Let's go, Lasal. Cruz. Number 7. Number 67, no good. Wala pa rin. Kick out. Wala.
Inakuha siya. Ay!
No good.
Nice.
There's a foul. Po ating official score 56-48. According po yan sa ating official time remaining 7 minutes and 17 seconds. Parang late sila nag-ano? Late sila nag-scoring.
Pero tama naman.
Hindi, kanina 51 eh. Nagulo na kayo kung paano nang-ayos.
Tumataas 3 points. 5-point late.
Wala. 48 to 56 daw po, according sa ating official.
Hayaan mo na sila. Hayaan mo sila.
Let's go, Lasal.
Si Eli.
Out, rebound by Yao. Cruz, up and under.
Nice, Sus. Eli. Baba, Sul!
Rebound by Bonita.
Uli, nice!
No call.
Yun!
And that's a Ravili violation.
Ayun na boy ha, ito na.
1, 2. Uli! Balik!
Cruz, basket. Down by 6. Rodriguez, stop and pump, basket.
Kaliwa! Yan, kaliwa!
Bonita sa loob. Pass to Yao.
Robin! Nice!
That's a traveling violation.
Ayun na! Sige! Ikaw na, Inay! Ayun na! Ayun na!
Basket again, back-to-back basket by Zeus Rodriguez. And a shout out, Alfonso Rodriguez at timeout. Ang Lasal Green Hills. Official score 60-50. 10-point lead.
Ilang oras ka lang ba?
4:49 sa akin.
4:49.
Sisundan ko lang din. Sisundan ko lang din sila.
Gosh, 5 minutes na lang, 5 minutes.
Boss, ingat sa foul ha! Ingat sa foul!
Okay, time remaining po natin as of now, 5 minutes and 3 seconds.
Sus! 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 Hindi may kaliwa, Sus! Kaliwa lang! Hindi may kaliwa! Basta kanan! Hindi yan! Ito! Hila, yan! Doon!
Inamay!
Bonita, pass to Yao. Basket is good. Rodriguez, basket. Cruz floater. Nakasagot doon si Cruz. Rodriguez, too strong. Bonita. Low pick up. Oh. Nice move.
Pari, Gabi, go 3 minutes.
6 na lang ang kalamangan. Rodriguez attacking the basket. Basket. Cruz to Abonita. Abonita from elbow 3. No good. Let's go, Lasala. Defense. Horda to Zeus. Pinasa loob. Number 9.
Come on. Baba mo lang, Sean. Baba mo lang. Good. Baba mo lang.
Rodriguez, no good. Rebound by Abonita. Let's go, Abonita. Let's go, Lasala. Side step. No good. There's a foul.
Kunin mo na. 2 minutes na lang, oh. Ikaw na. Diyos, bigay mo. Babalik naman sa'yo. Babalik sa'yo. 2 minutes na lang, oh.
Ice.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Shooting on the line, jersey number 00. Abonita. First shot is good.
Diyos, patandyan ka. Dito ka. Sa ilalim.
7 na lang ang inahabol.
Ice, tabi dyan.
Palit.
Go back zone.
Basket para kay Abonita. 6 na lang ang inahabol.
Baba mo, Jos. Baba mo lang. Step dyan. Tama. Nice.
Hand off. Gets the 3. No good.
Huli.
Abonita. Side step. Oh no. Wow. By Abonita. Number 2. To Horda. Setting on the play. Pass number 3. 2 for 3. Wala. Cruz.
Huli, nice.
7. Block by number 2.
Dilay.
Steal by Abonita. Abonita at number 67. Back to Abonita. Catch and shoot. Basket. Ayan na. 2 na lamang. Oh, wait lang. 1 na lamang po ang inahabol.
Ay, 64 lang. Ay, 64 lang.
Support, diba?
64 lang po. 64. Time out, Don Bosco Makati. Time remaining 1 minute and 14 seconds. Nakahabol na ang ating Lasal Green Hills with a 2-point deficit.
Ice, discarded. Focus ka, focus.
Okay. Let's go. 1 minute and 44 seconds. Number 9, wala. Offensive rebound, number 2, wala pa rin. Number 9, wala. Rebound ng Lasal. Ay na si Cruz. Nagmamadali. Low-key tumira, wala pa rin. Uy.
Outside, nice.
Out of bounds.
Yeah. Rebound, tulong sa rebound. Rebound. Box out. Ilay, tulong sa rebound. Ilay, tulong sa rebound. Pasok.
Crucial free throw by number 55. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Cruz, wala. Offensive rebound. Pakuha ng Don Bosco. Ayan na si Ice. Saya. Acorda, no good. Rebound by Loki. Loki nagmamadali. Pass to number 67. Tumira, and there's a foul. Sabi.
Bola.
Ayan na, crucial
oras.
free throw. Sobrang napaka-importante ang free throw na to para sa Lasal Green Hills. First shot,
Nice.
no good.
Box out. Ilay. Rebound, rebound.
Second shot, wala. Rebound.
Ina. Oh, nice.
There's a foul.
Nice, Ilay. Nice. Box
Let's
out,
go,
box out,
Lasal.
box out.
Hindi pumasok ang dalawang free throw doon. Sayang. Okay, free throw naman para sa Don Bosco Makati.
Go foul, ha? Go foul.
Terona. Balik sa tatlong kalamangan. Second shot, basket. Ayan na si Cruz, let's go. Abonita, nabitawan ang bola. But there's a foul.
Take two.
Nabitawan ang bola. Ni Abonita. Bawi, bawi. Number 26 on the free throw area. Wala. Time remaining po natin. Last 15 seconds. 15.6 seconds remaining para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Number 26, basket. Time out. Lasal Green Hills. (69-64), 5-point lead para sa Don Bosco Makati. Let's go, Lasal. Is it a quick 3 na lamang or a quick 2? One stop para sa Don Bosco.
Pag-rebound mo.
15.6 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. Last 15 seconds. Cruz. Pass to Obelion. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Zeus. But there is a foul. Time remaining. 8.7 seconds remaining. Crucial free throw para kay Zeus Rodriguez. Shot, no good.
Nice, nice. Okay na.
Oh, nice.
Ayan lang, dati pa naman.
Basket para kay Corda. May foul doon. Quick foul. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations and nice game para sa LaSalle Green Hills. Our final score 71-64. Panalo po ang Don Bosco Makati. And a nice game para sa ating LaSalle Green Hills. And maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood. At makita-kita po tayo sa ating next live. Hanggang sa muli, and God bless everyone. Muli, maraming salamat po sa LaSalle Green Hills parents na nagtiwala at nag-imbita po sa atin para i-cover ang isa na namang kapanapanabik na laban tulad nito. Okay, fourth. Hanggang sa muli, paalam.